Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my members and subscribers. Hello, coin collectors young and old. And hello to everyone else that might be watching, including coin collectors young and old and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have a mail call with both a friend mail and a Canadian coin and currency package. We also have some pocket change to look at today as well. So thank you for stopping by, and hopefully you'll find what the mail call is all about and what the pocket change is all about. We'll be right back with all of that just after this. Welcome back. Well, we'll set the pocket change aside and we'll get into the mail call, and we'll start off with the friend mail, and we have this. And of course, this is a postcard from Dream Big Productions Plush Bat Fan, and April 12th, 2024. And here's a very special Hello Kitty postcard for yours to keep as a souvenir from our friends at Dream Big Productions Plush Bat Fan. And it's to Numis Canada with Bruce. And here we go. And of course they keep using the same stamp, which is the International 2022 stamp. USA Forever, and that is a Hello Kitty card, and there's Hello Kitty and her friend and her bear friend. How cool is that? So we'll set that aside, and we'll break out our trusty knife and open this small package from Canadian Coin and Currency. And let's get into here. This paper tape with the string through them are very tough to open, so let's hopefully we got it. And I see obligatory paperwork. And we'll get that out of the way. And we'll take this. And I believe that's all that's in here. And we got paper and an empty box. So, and you'll see what we have here. You may recall when we did our coin ring video, I said that the coin that my friend had bought for me, and of course it was the polar bear with babies, and it was the one that actually spawned all this bullion. But I said I had one already. That's why I was going to make it into a coin ring. I was mistaken because the design is slightly different from the one that I had, because while it has the mama bear with the baby bears, it is this one that I have the duplicate of. So it's this one that I will be making the coin ring from. And of course it has the same rays on it. And I'll give you pictures of these, but just to show that I have the duplicate. So I want one for my collection, and I also want one for the ring. And of course we will use this one for the ring and this one for my collection. And the other one will stay in my collection as well. And I'll put on screen the other mother, and I'll put the photos side by side so that you can see how they are different. they are significantly different, and the mother's on the opposite side in the original coin, but that video still stands. It's just this ring will become the coin ring. So we've finally got that sorted out, and that's what was in the mail call. So it's a very quick video, but I decided to show you what was in our pocket change. And in our pocket change, and we have 4 loonies and a quarter. And we'll start off with this loonie here. And this is a 2010 Olympic loonie with the Inukshuk on it, the logo of the 2010 Winter Olympics. And I will give you the photograph of both sides of this coin. So you see the Inukshuk, and there's Queen Elizabeth, and this one's in pretty good shape. And so we have this one, and the stats will come on screen. And the second coin we have is another lucky loonie, and this one is from 2014, and of course it has the bird diving into the water, or just coming out of the water rather, and the Olympic logo. And I'll give you photographs of this one and stats for it as well. So that's 2 Olympic loonies. We'll go to the next one, and this is yet another lucky loonie, and it has from the 2016 Olympics, and it has both the Olympic symbol as well as a Paralympic symbol on it. And I'll give you a photograph of this and flip it over. And that one's from 2016. And our final coin is not a loonie. It's not a lucky loonie, but it is a commemorative of Terry Fox. And those of you who don't know, is Terry Fox attempted to run across Canada even with his disability and illness, and this is from 2005. And if you haven't seen it, there's a movie called The Terry Fox Movie that tells his story. And I'll give you photographs of this and stats on this. And this is from 2002, where he's walking across Canada. He made it a good distance. He certainly did, but he didn't make it all the way to Vancouver. But he is a beloved Canadian. Now, our final, and I'll give you stats for this too, and our final coin is not a loonie, but it is it's a 25-cent piece, and it is from 2002. It is a P, so it's still it's plated steel, and 1952 to 2002 it has the Queen's Jubilee, and this was part of a series of coins, and this has Canadians holding a giant maple leaf, carrying a giant maple leaf and celebrating. and that is one of them. So how cool is that? We have Friend Mail. We have the mail call from Canadian Coin and Currency, and we have some pocket change. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's video, as short as it is. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.